Hey guys, this is one of important video for the candidates who are switching their career, especially from ECE, mechanical, civil, triple E, and who are looking for an IT job. For example, if you have already moved, then people will be knowing what they are missing, what are the cons and what are the pros. But if you are a fresher and if you are about to switch, if you are about to go for an IT job, you should know these three things. One is what you are going to miss, what are the cons, and what are the positives. So before understanding of these 3 points, do not pick an IT profile if you are out of this category: ECE, mechanical, civil, or triple E. So first, let's see what you are going to miss. First important thing is 4 years course, what you have learned. For example, if you have done a graduation course in these 4, ECE, mechanical, or civil, or triple E, then you are going to miss what you have already done. And then if you are preparing for any coding, then it's like gone. So that is like done. And second thing is, your courses may have more government job opportunity. When you consider civil and mechanical, these branches are having more government job openings compared with any computer science job openings when you take India. And the third one is friends having a different career path. For example, if you have done civil or mech, all these candidates will be having Saturday working, and you will be having Saturday and Sunday and add-on holiday, but a different career path, and there won't be a common conversations in between you. And in the end, the rapport will completely change when you compare with your college and post starting doing your first job. So now let's talk about the cons, which are the minus points, or if you are going for IT, what are the things you may have to face. First point is lack of basics and difficult to learn. For example, if you have done any graduation course, ECE, mechanical, civil, and triple E, where couple of branches are having basic coding languages but not too extreme, and if you want to go for any software job, they obviously require good coding skills, where if you have done mechanical or civil, your basic coding language skills are very weak, so it will be very difficult for you to learn because you don't have basics. So this is one very difficult point for you if you're going for IT job. This point, I'm not saying that you cannot overcome it, but this takes little more time. And second point is non-permanent job. For example, if you take mech, civil, triple E, and ECE, there is possibility of getting a government job, and in this case IT jobs will not give you a permanent job. And second thing is age factor. For example, if you take any IT job, mostly post 40, you won't see more people doing an IT job in India, and a lot of people are going for younger talents. Why? Because these people are having more skills and they work for lesser salary. So usually MNCs will go for younger people. For example, if your age is crossing 35, 38 and 40, and if you're still asking for 20, 30 LPA, and a young talent has come with same skills and who is ready to do 5 LPA, then your job is gone. The third point is, when you learn extra course, or if you're learning any courses, obviously it will produce year gap. So again, it will be a headache for you to answer why there is an year gap in your resume, either in your self-introduction round or in your resume. We also have a video on that, so you can also go through that. This point is actually a negative point for you. And coming to the fourth point, hypothetical questions. For example, if you have done any graduation out of this, and if you're going for an IT job, for sure recruiter will ask you why IT job, or why you're looking for a career switch, why you are going for an IT profile. So these all questions you have to answer it. So these are the basic cons. Let's now talk about the positives or the pros. These pros are the pros where every candidate will look for. First one is, if not coding, you can also go for BPO tech jobs. For example, if you're not confident about coding, then you can randomly pick BPO tech support with basic hardware and networking, or with basic IT skills. You can easily crack BPO and tech support jobs. So if not coding, just pick BPO tech support or any IT role. So the second point is high paid salaries. If you're looking for high paid salaries in your junior level, like first year, second year, third year itself, then you should go for IT role. If you're looking for core job, ECE, mechanical, civil, triple E, if you're going for any core job, initially the salaries will be very less, and in order to touch IT salaries, you may need to work for 10 plus years. So here in your first, second year, third year itself, you will get high paid salaries. And coming to the third point, which is chances of going abroad. Here you may not have a chance of going abroad, but here chances of going abroad is also there in IT profiles. And coming to the fourth point, getting a job is easier compared with your normal core job. Here you may need to crack a government job, or else they'll ask you a lot of skills, or you have to go for an assistant role and then you have to go for a job. Here it's not like that. If you are having good IT skills and if you can crack a code, or if your communication skills is very good, then you can easily crack an IT job. And let's talk about the last point, which is quick financial support. For example, if your family is dependent on you, you have to go for a quick job, then IT job is an answer for you. So this question, why everyone will get, because for example, if you are a candidate or student from ECE, mechanical, civil and triple E, your friends will be getting easy jobs who have done their graduation in CSE or IT. So most of the candidates, by seeing all these people, they want to switch to IT job. So here are the things missing, cons and pros. You have to consider all these points before switching to an IT job. So all the best guys. Remember one thing, we are not saying IT job is good or bad, but when you are moving to an IT job, you have to consider these 3 points, or you're going to feel bad in your future. So all the best guys. We are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.